A moment of silent recognition. The jet touches the heart of those who lived its history. Reborn and preserved, the Republic F-105 Thunderchief stands as an eternal testament to courage and history. Unforgiving ocean holds secrets of the past. Our mission begins now, over the deep blue. Every wire, every connection must be flawless. We are preparing to lift a legend from its watery grave.
Project Phoenix, the dedicated team ready to retrieve the mighty Republic F-105 Thunderchief.
The target lies 200 meters below, a ghost on the seabed, waiting for its final ascent. The F-105 Thunderchief, a giant of the Cold War era. Its silence speaks volumes of a history hard-fought.
Sonar confirms the location. The depth is severe, demanding utmost precision from our crew. The deep divers, our eyes and hands below. They prepare for the crushing pressure of the deep ocean.
The ROV camera system must transmit clear images. There is no room for error in this environment.
A moment of truth before the plunge. The risk is great, but the reward is a piece of aviation history.
We deploy the survey array. Every measurement is critical to secure the massive Thunderchief.
The remote vehicle descends, piercing the surface tension. Our proxy, exploring the darkness ahead. These bubbles are the only sign of the incredible pressure and work being done hundreds of feet down. The sun's light barely penetrates the abyss. It's a world of shadows, vast and silent.
Faint rays of light struggle to reach the bottom, guiding the way through the thick columns of water.
There it is. After decades, the Republic F-105 Thunderchief is revealed. A monument of corrosion, the faded insignia of the U.S. Air Force, still visible, reminding us of its original glory.
Uncovering the tail number, a crucial piece of identification to confirm its history.
Initial assessment shows severe damage to the wing structure, a violent impact long ago.
The iconic nose cone, crushed and twisted, a testament to the powerful forces of the crash.
Wiping away the grime of the seabed, we peer into the cockpit, where the pilot once sat.
The instruments of flight, frozen in time. The last moment preserved by the deep ocean's cold.
A poignant moment, a silent salute to the aircraft and the memory it represents.
The wreck is now a refuge, home to the sea life that thrives in the deepest trenches.
Decades of fishing activity have snagged old nets around the tail, requiring careful removal.
The specialized cutters go to work, methodically freeing the Republic F-105 Thunderchief from the debris.
With the obstructions gone, the salvage operation can proceed to the critical lift stage.
We have instability on line 3. Reduce tension immediately. I repeat, reduce tension now.
Attaching the heavy-duty slings to the main structural spars, a delicate balance of power and care. Final inspection of the load locks. These connections must hold several tons of saturated metal.
A sudden shift. Loose debris dislodges, momentarily blinding the diver in a cloud of sediment.
Visibility is lost. The smallest error could lead to disaster in this high-risk zone.
The diver regains orientation, relying on training and light to cut through the remaining haze.
The signal is clear. A-OK from the deep. Commence salvage lift.
The divers retreat to safety, leaving the relic to the power of the winch system.
Tension rising slowly. The gauge reveals the immense weight of the waterlogged aircraft.
The commander's gaze is fixed on the data. 1 millimeter at a time, no sudden movements.
The powerful machinery engages, its immense gears slowly hauling the warbird towards the surface. The moment of separation. The Thunderchief leaves its watery resting place after so many years. The sediment clouds the water, a final goodbye to the ocean floor where it silently sat. Rising from the darkness, the jet is still fully submerged, an eerie spectacle in the deep. Rising from the darkness, the jet is still fully submerged, an eerie spectacle in the deep.
Closer to the light, the deep blue begins to yield to the hopeful turquoise of the surface.
As it approaches the surface, trapped air escapes in a cascade of bubbles, a sign of the pressure release.
The steel cables bear the full load, glistening with salt water, inching the aircraft higher.
The breakthrough. The nose of the Thunderchief breaches the surface, greeting the light once more. The breakthrough. The nose of the Thunderchief breaches the surface, greeting the light once more.
Ascension complete. The Republic F-105 Thunderchief, battered but defiant, returns to the air.
A monumental engineering feat successfully accomplished by the crew.
The warbird settles onto the deck cradle, its heavy presence resonating across the ship. A respectful touch on the corroded skin. This is more than metal. It is a recovered memory. The first step, immediate preservation. Chemical spray stops the corrosive effects of the salt water.
Samples of the deep-sea ecosystem are collected, vital data locked within the marine growth. The delicate instruments are treated with care, protecting the cockpit from rapid decay.
For overland transport, the wings must be carefully detached from the massive fuselage.
The stark contrast reveals the extent of the corrosion after decades submerged.
Rigorous identification ensures that every tiny piece finds its rightful place during reassembly. A focused search within the wreckage for the flight data recorder, key to the jet's final moments. Success. The flight recorder, although damaged, offers the last vital clues from the mission. The precious data unit is sealed immediately, safeguarding its contents from further decay.
The salvage vessel docks. The recovered Thunderchief prepares to meet dry land after its long exile.
With careful precision, the massive fuselage is transferred to the heavy-haul transport trailer.
The historic relic moves by road, a striking sight as it travels towards the restoration facility.
Arrival at the hangar. The work shifts from recovery to the intricate process of restoration. The corroded Republic F-105 Thunderchief rests in a clean, state-of-the-art facility, ready for transformation.
Restoration specialists greet the veteran aircraft, acknowledging the monumental task ahead.
The arduous process of disassembly begins. Every single part is carefully removed and documented.
Specialized tools are essential for the surgical precision needed to revive the relic's components. Rigorous identification ensures that every tiny piece finds its rightful place during reassembly. Chemical baths gently strip away the deep rust and salt deposits, preparing the metal for repair. Electrolysis removes decades of deep corrosion, revealing the aircraft's original alloy beneath.
A washdown reveals the miraculous transformation. Metal restored to its near-factory finish.
The sensitive instruments are meticulously cleaned, bringing the cockpit's complex systems back to life.
The ejection seat mechanism is rebuilt, a vital piece of the pilot's survival technology.
Every switch, every lever must be functional and precise for the historical integrity.
The heart of the Thunderchief, the J-75 engine, is subjected to exhaustive inspection for structural fatigue.
The delicate turbine blades regain their metallic gleam, ready to be reinstalled.
Modern engineering recreates lost components with exact original specifications and materials.
Structural integrity is restored. Welders painstakingly seal the breaches in the fuselage skin.
Grinding smoothed the repaired surfaces, preparing the skin for its final layer of paint.
Old and new meet, replacing heavily damaged panels with newly fabricated, matching alloys.
Control surfaces are reattached and tested, ensuring their movement is flawless.
The circulatory system of the jet is renewed, a fresh network of hydraulic lines and cables.
Moving parts operate smoothly again, demonstrating the success of the mechanical restoration.
A fresh coat of primer seals the metal, protecting it and preparing it for the final historic colors.
The iconic camouflage returns. The Republic F-105 Thunderchief is visually reborn in its wartime livery. A rapid transformation. The final colors emerge, erasing all signs of the ocean's harsh embrace. The wings are rejoined to the fuselage. The massive jet fighter takes its true shape once again.
The J-75 engine is carefully guided home, completing the physical restoration of the aircraft.
The cockpit canopy is secured. The Republic F-105 Thunderchief is almost entirely whole.
The historical tail number is reapplied with precision, authenticating the jet's identity.
Warning decals and stencils are placed, completing the aesthetic details of the fighter jet.
The final polish. Every inch is inspected for a flawless exhibition finish. Tolerance checks confirm the structural integrity matches the original engineering specifications.
A final, meticulous search for any imperfections before the grand reveal. The nod of approval. Decades of history preserved, ready for a new chapter. Emerging into the sun, the Republic F-105 Thunderchief, fully restored, shining like new. Every restored detail, from rivet to paint, a tribute to the dedicated team's craftsmanship. The restored F-105 Thunderchief takes its rightful plate, a majestic centerpiece for generations to study. A moment of silent recognition. The jet touches the heart of those who lived its history. Reborn and preserved, the Republic F-105 Thunderchief stands as an eternal testament to courage and history.